Everyone is cooking coconut after seeing this genius idea. Start by adding half a cup of refined sugar into a green coconut that has been opened. Then, place it on a stove over medium heat. Stir and let it cook until the coconut water heats up. Once that happens, transfer it to a large bowl. Add 100 grams of shredded dried coconut. Stir to combine, set it aside, and let it rest for 8 minutes, or until it cools down and reaches room temperature. Once that happens, add 120 grams of cornstarch and stir until completely dissolved. Now, transfer this mixture to a large saucepan. Turn on the heat to medium-low and keep stirring until it thickens. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. This is the right consistency. After doing that, grease a 22-centimeter baking pan with coconut oil. Brush it over the entire pan just like I'm doing. Then, pour in the cream we prepared and spread it evenly. Finally, place the dessert in the refrigerator and let it chill for at least 2 hours. After this time has passed, in a large skillet over medium to low heat, add a 240 milliliter cup of sugar and spread it. When this sugar starts to melt, stir everything until it melts completely. Have you got that recipe app? It's already available for download. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type that recipe, and download it. Now, add 50 grams of shredded dried coconut, 1 cup of water, and stir everything very well until it turns into caramel. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. This is the right consistency. Finally, unmold the dessert we prepared and finish with the coconut caramel. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.